Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? 365 chances of the year to try to make it right. You have to see it clear.
Look what I have. Yes, that is the Essence Advent Calendar.
We all need a helping hand to put our things aside. It's time to take a stand with our eyes open wide. Let it bring out the very best of you. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know?
Good morning, guys. Well, it's actually not morning, but yeah. Whatever. I just got out of the shower. I did a little bit of a cleanup this morning. As you guys saw, Bryn and I had the most relaxing weekend, so we didn't do much cleaning, but he was such an angel. He literally took such great care of me because I was obviously a little bit sick on Saturday, and he cleaned up as he went. He did a little bit of washing, but he didn't do the folding. So I did the folding this morning, and I just did a nice little, you know, wipe and vacuum and all of that around the apartment because I hate working in a dirty space. So I wanted to get the apartment clean because I wanted to film some videos just now, and I thought I could just get ready with you guys on today's vlog. So welcome to Vlogmas day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. It is Monday, of course, today, so happy Monday. I hope you guys had a productive Monday, because I think this video is going to go up a little bit later this evening. I have an event tonight. My good friend Mikkel, she is having like a little birthday event, and we're going to go to that. So I thought I would get ready early, film some videos, and then I'm already, you know, dressed and make-upped and all of that for the day. But I straightened my hair a little bit because I straightened it on Friday and it wasn't straight this morning. It wasn't curly, it just had like a little bit of a kink in it, and I hate that. So I used my new GHD Gold Glacial Blue Straightener. This is so beautiful, you guys. I'm going to do a full video on it, but I just wanted to share that I got a new straightener from GHD. It was a little Christmas gift from them, so thank you, GHD. I'm going to do a full video on how I use it. Love, love, love this. I just feel that GHD doesn't damage your hair as some of the other straighteners that I've used, and I also don't like using a lot of heat on my hair, so I'll maybe use that if I'm naughty twice a week, but I try to limit heat to my hair to once a week. So yeah, I thought I would get ready with you guys. The noise you are hearing is the fan because it is super hot today, and if I don't have something cold like blowing on my face, I will literally pass out from the heat. So yeah, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a speed through my makeup today and just get ready with you. I'm gonna use the same products as I used yesterday. In yesterday's vlog I did a little bit of a luxury makeup shopping haul, so if you haven't seen that, I will link a little card up here. So I'm just gonna speed through my get ready with me.
Don't you know?
Done. I'm ready. This is my makeup. I am just going to put on a nice little top, and then I can film I want to film my PR unboxing video, and then that's going to be in a different video. So I'm going to show you quickly what I am dealing with. So I'm going to see if I can like speed through it in the video, because I don't want the video to be like 100 years long. So yeah, let me show you what I am dealing with But this is my makeup. I'm all done, all ready. I really like it and really loving the Christmas vibes. I still need a little topper for the tree, but you guys will see whenever I get that during Vlogmas. But let me show you what I am dealing with. So I just have my ring light for a little bit of extra help in terms of lighting, but that is what I am dealing with. I have all of this new makeup that I need to sort through and put away, and just show you guys, because I obviously haven't showed you this yet. This is things that I need to sort out and put in the drawers. That is all like essence stuff. That little bag over there is a makeup empties video, so I'm going to show you all of the things that I've used and things that I loved, that I don't love, that I won't be purchasing again. You guys know, I'm sure you have seen makeup empties videos. And the little kid, my next door neighbor, the little boy is playing on the grass, so let us hope and pray that he doesn't scream during the duration of filming this video. Brendan, I hate you, just by the way. I hate it when he uses my laptop to watch something and then he never puts it on charge. Brendan Duplessis, het jy nie ore nie? I'm gonna import this footage eventually when my MacBook goes on. Dankie liefie. As much as it's super fun and super glamorous to receive beauty products and skincare products and, you know, gifts from brands all the time, it is so much work because now I have to throw out all of this trash and organize all of these products, you guys. So I'm actually not feeling my hair at the moment. I think it just has way too much dry shampoo in it. And this humidity is just not my friend at the moment, so I think I'm just gonna do a slick back pony. And I've had so many questions on Instagram asking me how I do my slick back pony, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I use this brush from Kerastars. I actually got this as a gift from them, so I don't know if you can buy this. I'm sure you can. It just has these little, I don't know, very close bristles. So if you have a similar brush to this, or you find a brush that kind of looks like that, it really helps. The brush that has those little silicone bobbly things, that brush will not work. You need a brush that kind of gets as much hair slicked down as possible. So I kind of just do this. It really helps if you have your hair straightened, but sometimes I don't. My favorite brush to do this is this one, and then also my tangle teaser. If you have one of those little handy dandy travel tangle teaser brushes, those work the best. But I leave that one in the car because sometimes I need to brush my hair and then I know I have a brush in the car. So I actually need to leave in like 30 minutes, so I just figured that gonna make myself stress less and just do my hair in a pony because I really like that look, first of all, and it's so hot and I'm literally dying. So, and I'm gonna wear a long sleeve top. Not really a long sleeve, but it's kind of like sheer mesh, but it's still long sleeve. So I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Almate hairspray and sleek it down. I don't know, that's what I do. So I'm at Milk and Honey now. I just had to run upstairs and come to the bathroom because I had to take a little breather. I had the worst experience with my Uber driver, and I've never had a bad experience with Uber, Taxify, whatever, and this guy could just not drive. I don't know how he got his license. It was just like, I was praying that I would arrive safely because this guy was trying to go around turns in 4th gear. He couldn't pull away properly and he was driving 70 on the highway. Like literally, how you can't drive that slow on the highway. It is so dangerous. And eventually I had to tell him, like, dude, can you please step on it? You're making me late. And he could barely understand English. So I was just like, can this ride just be over? So yeah, I'm at Milk and Honey now. I just had to come to the bathroom, have a little bit of a wee and freshen up because I nearly thought that I was not going to make it. And I'm sweating. It is so hot. I had to walk so far. But anyway, we are here. I'm here to celebrate my friend's birthday, Mikal. I'm sure you guys have seen her in my previous vlog, the Joe Malone one. So I'm excited to be here and to celebrate her birthday. We're going to have a little bit of a dinner. I didn't have a chance to show you guys my outfit, but I'll have someone take a little clip of my outfit. So let's go have some drinks, some canapes, and then have some dinner. This lighting is super warm because it's like a pink and black bathroom, but it's so pretty. Okay, let's go. Hello, you look so beautiful. When is your birthday? It's not my birthday, it's my vlog's birthday. So my vlog is yeah. When is your birthday again? In March. Okay. Well, happy birthday vlog! I got you something. Oh! I thought it was your birthday, that's why I got you a gift. But it's so pretty. Ooh, yummy!
Do you like the desserty stuff or the menthol? The fruity.
Whoa!
What's eating?
Mouth that. Like simple vertical.
Just get a cappuccino, please.
One cappuccino. So we just got home. Brenna's taking my shoes off and I am about to edit this vlog. It is literally 10 to 10, so 10 to 11. So I'm gonna edit the vlog and then upload it straight away. So thank you guys for watching and then I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
When we forgive our enemies, soon